Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wix app. First, download the Wix Owner app from your device's App Store, available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, simply log in with your existing Wix account details. This gives you immediate access to your website dashboard, allowing you to manage your entire business directly from your mobile device, anytime and anywhere. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. Managing your website content is incredibly simple with the Wix app. You can effortlessly update text, swap out images, or upload new videos right from your smartphone. Need to share a new update? You can create and publish fresh blog posts or make quick edits to existing ones in just a few taps. Plus, staying engaged with your audience is easy. Review and respond to all visitor comments directly within the app. The Wix app empowers you to handle essential business operations and customer interactions on the go. For e-commerce, you can efficiently manage all your online store orders and keep track of inventory levels. Engaging with your customers is seamless through integrated chat and booking functionalities. You can also easily send out targeted promotional offers and crucial updates to your dedicated subscriber base, fostering strong client relationships. Staying informed about your website's performance is crucial, and the Wix app makes it effortless. You can view real-time website traffic and gain valuable insights into your visitors' behavior. Easily monitor your sales data and track your business growth over time with clear analytics. Furthermore, the app provides instant notifications for important site activities, ensuring you are always aware of what's happening with your online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.